Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use teamwork.com for managing volunteer projects using the latest 2025 guide. Let's start by setting up our project. First, log into your account, navigate to the dashboard, and click on the green Add Project button. This is essential as it sets the foundation for our project management. Now that we've done that, next, you'll need to input your project details. This includes the project name, a brief description, and the start and end dates. This helps us because it gives us a clear overview of what the project is about and the time frame we're working with. The next step is to add your team. Click on the People tab, then select Add People. Here, you can either add existing teamwork.com users by their email or invite new users. The reason we do this is to ensure everyone involved in the project can access the project details and contribute effectively. Now, let's make our task lists. Go to the Task tab and click on Add Task List. Break your project down into smaller, manageable tasks and assign them to your volunteers. This is crucial as it gives structure to our project and lets your team know exactly what they need to do. After that, you should add some milestones. These are important points in your project timeline that signify a significant achievement. The reason we do this is to set goals for our team and track our progress. Now let's set up notifications. Go to Settings, then Notifications. Here, you'll decide when and how you get notified about project updates. This helps us because it allows us to stay on top of our project without constantly checking the platform. All right, now that you've got all that set up, let me explain why this matters. By setting up your project, adding your team, creating task lists, milestones, and notifications, you're creating a robust framework that will help your volunteer project run smoothly. Behind the scenes, teamwork.com is designed to improve collaboration, enhance productivity, and provide visibility into your project's progress. It's an excellent tool for managing volunteer projects, and I hope this tutorial has given you a solid understanding of how to use it. And there you have it. That's how you use teamwork.com to manage your volunteer projects. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.